Okay. Hey guys, it's been a long time since I've done a video, so please excuse me. But as you can tell from the title of this video, today I am going to be doing my own faux locks, and this is the second time that I'm doing this style, so I thought that I'd bring you guys along with me because I'm kind of sure what I'm doing now. And the first time it came out really good, so yeah, I'm excited to see how it comes out this time. And right now I'm about to go to the beauty supply store and buy some of the hair that I'm going to be using for the style. And I'm also going to be using an old wig for some of my curly pieces, so I already have that, obviously. And yes, I just wanted to mention that. And yeah, you guys can come along with me to the beauty supply store. I'm kind of like breaking out right now, so my hand's on my face. I shouldn't even have my hand on my face, but yeah, anyways, that's beside the point. Yeah, so let's go to the beauty supply store and buy this hair. And let me show you guys how I do my hair. Okay, hey guys. So I went to the beauty supply store and I got back a little over like an hour ago. And I'm definitely going to put a timestamp below for you guys to skip forward to because I'm going to be talking a lot. And yeah, so I'm back from the beauty supply store, and I have the hair that I'm going to be using today. The beauty supply store gave me a free wallet, I guess because of the amount of money I spent. I'm not sure. They're just trying to get rid of them. But yeah, I got the beauty supply store brand wallet for free. That was cute. And I also got some like cheap makeup, so I also got some cheap makeup so I can do my makeup tonight. I got like a lip liner in there somewhere, so yeah. So this is the braiding hair I'm going to be using. This is 1B expression hair, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like cut it in half and just use it to braid my hair for the base of the locks. So that is that hair so far. Now that I think of it, I'm not sure if I would really need the braiding hair that much because I'm gonna be attaching the locks onto my hair. So I have to watch one video to see something really quickly about attach because I've never used pre-made locks before. So I just figured it would be easier. So I got these I'm talking a lot. But yes, I got these Queen's locks. They're 24 inches in the color 1. And yeah, they're like fluffy and they have these curly ends on them. I feel like I need to start that over, but whatever. Y'all get what I'm saying. And then I also got these 36-inch butterfly locks. Got 3 packs of locks. And in here is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So there's 10, 20, and 32 locks altogether. And that's about how many locks I want to do in my head. So yeah, and hopefully this style should be easy. And it's like 1 o'clock now, so hopefully it doesn't take me that long to do my hair. And I also got this Afro Kinky Twist hair to wrap around the locks. And this is in the color 1, 2, and 1B. Oh, it's the Nalatress butterfly locks in 24 inches in the color 1B. And these locks don't have any curly ends to them. I'm planning on making these locks like look a bit thick, and I'm going to add my own curly pieces to the ends of these. And then these other 2 packs of locks that I have, they do have like curly ends to them already, so that should make this style easier. So these are really long. These are 36 inches butterfly locks by Lulu Tress in the color 1, and these have these curly pieces on them. It's pretty cute. And this pack is in the color 1 by Queen's M. It's 24 inches, and yeah, so there's like 32 handmade locks altogether. I only have 1 pack of 36-inch hair, and then I have these 2 24-inch packs of hair. So I plan on making these slightly a bit longer. We'll see how I do this, but hopefully it comes out the way I want it to. And yeah, so I'm about to start parting my hair and braiding it and getting ready to install this hair. And yeah, that is about it. And I just wanted to show you guys that and let you guys know that before I start doing my hair, because I doubt I'm going to be talking anymore throughout this video. I'm just about to start partying and doing my hair and stuff. So yeah, I'm about to put on my show and get in tune. And yeah, hopefully this works out. So pray for me, you guys. And yeah, by the way, my hair, I washed it yesterday. It's blown out. I didn't put any products in it yet. So all I did was put some like leave-in spray and the, what is that stuff called? I use the heat protectant oil on my hair. So alright, so this is this long ass expression braiding hair, and I'm just about to just cut this in half. Boom, just like that.
This energy released by stars can be traced back to the beginning of time. There was no matter. Time when our solar system was little more than ash. No sun, no planets, and no moons. Just a vast cloud of gas and dust. Then, In a distant solar system, the star explodes. A supernova that sends a shock wave across the galaxy. On impact, the shock wave causes the cloud to fall in on itself and begin to rotate. As it spins faster and faster, the cloud flattens out into a disk, a maelstrom of gas and rock. In the center, under intense pressure, the sun is born. While further out, rock collides with rock, and our planet begins to grow.
Oh, my hard work. I'm about to watch a YouTube video. This hairstyle took me longer than I expected. And just because I pre-braided my hair before I started locking my hair up. And I'm not sure why I did that. I thought I was going to need long braids. And I did for some of these braids, but for some of these locks, I needed braids, but it was just a time-consuming thing. So, yeah. Here is the lock with the human hair attached to it. Okay. Jesus Christ. I need to do my edges. These shits is hurting my head. They tight as fuck. I can't wait till it loosen up. Jesus Christ. Good evening. I need to clean my glasses. Alright, I'm about to take a shower so my hair can loosen up and steam up. My night is good though, but I'll be back on in a little while.